Hi, how are you? I'm Kazuyo Nakano. Do you want to bring your handbag ideas to life in CLO3D? Let me show you how. With the right quality and details, your handbag design can be showcased to professionals. With over 30 years in the industry, I'll guide you step by step in a private, one-on-one setting. We take your idea and turn it into a production-ready pattern using industry logic. You learn how to build handbags virtually, guided by real-world construction knowledge. This course is perfect if you want to become a handbag designer or start your own brand. Visit kazuyonakano.jp for course details. Book a free Zoom consultation. I'd love to hear your goals and help you begin. Contact me at kazuyonakano.jp/contact.